Okay guys, today we are going to learn how to change a smoke alarm. I initially was going to deep clean this house myself, and then I realized I might be better than that, so. Okay, welcome back to my channel, you guys. Today we're going to be putting together a smoke alarm. I know something about like YouTube videos just makes me want to talk in this like fake like podcast type voice, but I really don't have it in me. Anyways, this is how you change a smoke alarm, right? I really do believe in doing the things that take you 5 minutes to do that someone would charge you, let's say like 8 hours of your day for like 8 hours of labor is what it would take to pay someone to do this. Is that worth it? Or would you just watch a YouTube video? But then I'm thinking to myself, I'm like, okay, do I really want to deep clean this entire house by myself? Which would take 4 hours, right? So I could pay some lady to do it for $100. So 100 divided by 4 would be 25 bucks an hour. I could make much more than that. Or not even if I don't make $25 an hour, I value my time. I value what I could do with my time more than $25 an hour. So let's just change the smoke alarm. So I took everything out of the box. I took everything out of this box. This is what the alarm is. I don't even think you can see that. Yeah, it's Kitty. Okay. It's so fucking hot. Okay, so it's gonna come with like this base, right? And then you're gonna get the actual alarm. And then you're gonna get a couple of screws as well. I don't even know if it came with instructions. Yeah. Oh, okay. So you're only screwing in the base, and then you kind of just pop and lock like a pill bottle. Kind of just pop your thing into there. Okay, so we're gonna figure out how this goes into here, so I can actually like, so you know, okay. So you know how to, okay. So you're gonna wanna like loosely put it on the, I said loosely. You're gonna loosely put it on the latch, and then you're just gonna screw this in. Okay, honestly right now I don't even have a hammer, so I'm just using like a really thick screwdriver as a hammer, and honestly it's kind of worked out for me, so let's see it. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to try to put this up there. Oh, look at that, it came with one. How wonderful. What in the actual fuck? Oh my god. Okay. So, okay, change of plans, guys. I have to actually figure out what's in here. Okay. So, this is currently, if you can see, this is currently the situation. I don't even know what this is about. It comes with a base, so we're gonna have to take that out to fit in our new smoke alarm. I'm gonna start by unscrewing the screws, and then we'll go from there. I'm just gonna make sure that you can see. Okay. Shit, I'm gonna go get some water. I'm gonna take this out now. These are so long, so I'm gonna move the base of the alarm, and then just have more, but... Hey, something like you can also like the power electrical like element for like main power or something. Oh, that wasn't bad. Yeah, no, okay, we're good. So that was built into the house, so we can just, these screws are just strictly for for the base of this smoke alarm. Oh my god. Okay. Can you guys see what I'm dealing with right now? I mean, have you counted how long I've been up here? Oh my fuck. Okay. This is just taking out the screws, you guys. I mean, what is this now? I'm probably gonna fast forward all this because this is insane. Come on, ladies. I think we know how to unscrew something, right? Okay. 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 There's that. So we're gonna take the new base with the screw holes, and we're gonna take our, these feel important. I know they're meant to hold the screws. But honestly, whenever I can, I like to see if I can use the old screws just because it saves a lot of like re-drilling and like the whole shebang. So honestly, the better idea might just be to take this new base and use the old screws and put the screws in where the old ones were, right? Okay. So we're gonna test it out and see if it even fits. Okay. And you see, like, that's the exciting part about life because it doesn't. But I see, okay. Okay, so it doesn't align. You always want to make sure when you're screwing something. I'm just trying to figure out. Okay. I'm just trying to figure out how to put the new smoke alarm over. I want to put the new smoke alarm over the hole, but we have to make sure not to screw into any holes. But I think, I mean wires, but I think that because the wires are exposed, that we know obviously where we can screw something in safely now. The holes for the screws on the base of the smoke alarm are like really big for no reason. So I think I'm gonna have to use these red things. That's so insane. Didn't I get the screws out here? Okay. So I'm just gonna play with this and see how these fit in first. So it looks like nothing fits into these kind of perfectly. So like these are the holes, right? So imagine you're trying to hold something up. These are the old screws. These are the new screws. And then this is the bracket that the new screws are supposed to go through. Tell me why in the fuck did you even think that'd be a good idea? Okay. I'm gonna try the old screw again, I think. So it has this bigger slot and then it has a smaller slot. So I think that actually that will keep. That will keep. Okay. Okay. We just have to be like super careful about it. Okay. Okay, I see. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the screw that fits, right? The screw that will actually hold this thing up, I'm gonna put at the top in the old hole, and then we're gonna see that this adjusts. Well, like you can adjust it to be like that, right? So that this can safely go in there, but still like be held up by something. So we're gonna do that. We're just gonna put the old screws in. I need the fucking instructions. Okay, so it said apparently if you want it to look right, you want the A's with the line underneath them to be parallel with the hallway or the ground. The situation's a little different and the way I'm doing it is a little different. Hopefully one of the other smoke alarms isn't so weird and we can actually do that, but this one's gonna be a little crooked, but it's okay as long as it's done right. I don't even know what the fuck this wire is for. I don't know why it's here. Oh my god. I just missed a whole other fucking furnace vent that I changed out the one. Well, good to know. Good to know. I was wondering why there was only one. I was like, what? Okay. So we're screwing that in. Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, our first screw is done. There's this like date of install sticker on here, but you're supposed to twist the alarm to turn it on or to activate it, and the sticker is like right over that line. So I'm gonna assume that you're supposed to take it off. But whenever I moved in, I created this little notebook so I could know like all the details, like the bills and stuff like that. So normally I can just put that in there instead of having this. We're just gonna like potential shock hazard. Oh my god. I'm just gonna shove that back in there. Okay. Okay. They say to test it, but oh fuck, I'm gonna have to test it. Wait, what?